Alright guys, so we're back in the garage for day 2 of the racing seat bracket install, because I'm an idiot. If you guys are watching this far into the video, you guys already know that I screwed up and only bought 4 bolts instead of 8. So we ran to Ace Hardware this morning, we traded some 240 parts with the dude. I got a window switch that probably doesn't work. We're going to get the rest of the bolts put in the seat, and then we're going to show you guys how to mount them up really quick. Now that we got all the hardware bolted onto the seat, the next thing we gotta do is get the seat into the car and mount it down to the designated points where it needs to be put. We left all the bolts finger loose on the seat, and we definitely didn't impact them and send hella ugga-duggas at them. So we're gonna get it mounted up in here, get everything adjusted and aligned properly, and then we're gonna get everything put back together. That's raw. Are you recording?
Yeah.
That's raw?
Yeah. Is it lined up?
No, not at all.
Oh.
Threw too many ugga-duggas at it. And remember guys, always break in the grease on the rails to ensure maximum slidage. That's it. Tired. End this shit.
Slide in.
Alright. Alright guys, so this is just going to be the second half of the video. The whole gang's over. It's 49 degrees out today.
Nice. It's
Hot.
summertime. It's summertime.
It's hot.
You can't see it, but I'm wearing a G-string.
Dude, we gotta be funny. Oh, okay.
Well, we actually gonna tell them I'm wearing a G-string?
I mean,
All right, whatever.
hey,
All right.
cheekies on or some shit, you don't know?
Some cheese.
Hey, that's a cute man.
You got these fucking nut huggers on.
You got a jock strap?
All right, guys. So we're adding this to just the second half of the video. It's beautiful out today. We're
Summertime.
gonna get the other seat in. We're gonna get the driver's side in. It probably won't be as cool because the window doesn't work. 240 problems. But we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna get the seat unbolted, get the new brackets all lined up, all that stuff, and then I'll have 2 racing seats inside of the race car. Let's get it. They're not heated. They don't have all the cool features like a rail. Like a little working room.
50 pounds.
Proven otherwise.
Have you had anybody in the backseat yet?
Yeah, there was a day we had David was in the back. It was
Me, you, and David?
yeah, me, you, and David.
Trying to convince Jeff to take out the back seat so he's full race car, but he ain't about it. He's about that streetcar life.
Little people that fit in there.
Well, yeah, when you have an 8-year-old brother, he could have.
Oh, he's 50.
Extendo Rencho, cuz.
Is it off?
Oh, it's off. Fuck.
5 minutes later.
Fuck. Edit all of these fucks so it's a different word.
Make a little duck squeaks. Quack.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm stuck. Ah, that's why. What's going on here?
I found my
Very key thing to do when switching your seats. Do not forget to grab those.
Ooh, like butter. To the guy that was talking smack on our Instagram about not having zip ties, I want y'all to see my zip tie.
Is what 20-year-old zip tie?
Look at how many washers are on this. Hold on. Get a fucking video of this. 1 washer, 2 washers, 3 washers on top. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. Jesus Christ.
Is that enough?
Darling, you send me. I know you.
So we decided to get rid of all the other extra washers on here that all look like shit. And we're just gonna run 1 lock washer on each side, because then it won't look like shit. And it'll look a little cleaner for show season. Oh, don't tell me these are different threads. Where's the Ugga Duggas? Probably there.
There's so many washers, so you
Hold on to me close.
You in gear?
Darling,
Were you in gear?
You don't want the cold, bro.
darling,
Alright guys, you know the rules. If it fits, it sits, and it fits, so I'm sitting in the seat I took out of the car. But over my shoulder, you guys can see both of the seats are in. So that just means next steps are going to be harness bar, harnesses. Those are going to come in a couple months. Say hi to Gia in this corner. Gia, wave. Right now, we got a video we're going to be recording Wednesday for you guys. It'll probably be up, I don't know, maybe next weekend, if we feel like it. So, the next video, I want to give you guys a hint, but it'll give it away. All I'm going to say is it's a hot topic for S14s, and, you know, there are not many videos on how to do it, so we're going to do it, and we're talking about motor swaps. This is pretty much all we got for you guys this time. Stay tuned. I'm going to grab a thumbnail real quick, and we'll get you guys out of here.